हमारे ऊपर भी बहुत इनडायरेक्टली हमला किए, लेकिन उसका जवाब तो हम मुंह तोड़ यहाँ पर देंगे, फिर उसके बाद में जो कुछ था। इसीलिए आपकी शुभकामना मैं देता हूँ। आप सबको धन्यवाद।
किरण रिजिजू, Honorable Leader of the Opposition.
Chairman, sir, on your rest, the heavy responsibility, smooth conduct of the party in this house. Yes. It shall be my endeavor to not only assume the same office of Dr. Radhakrishnan, but also share his name of the house. Hence, sir, kindly be assured of our cooperation with you in the conduct of the proceedings of belongs as much to the opposition as to the government.
Please,
I was
आप बैठिए,
disheartened कि आप अपने आसन से उस तरफ ज्यादा न देखें, लेकिन उसमें आप इधर नहीं देखेंगे तो ये भी खतरा है।
बैठिए भैया। Leader of the Opposition.
Honorable Chairman, I rise today to extend heartiest felicitation on my own behalf and on behalf of all the opposition members on your assuming the august office of Chairman Rajya Sabha. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, which in a different way our Deputy Chairman has spoken, but this is a relevant portion I am reading from Radhakrishnan's speech. So the first Vice President and Chairman of Rajya Sabha, during his acceptance speech on 16th May 1952, I belong to no party. Why I am saying? Because many people claimed that you belong to their party. So I belong to no party, and that means I belong to every party in this house. Yes. It shall be my endeavor to uphold the traditions, the highest traditions of the parliamentary democracy, and act towards every party with fairness and impartiality, with ill will to none and goodwill to all. A democracy is likely to degenerate into a tyranny if it does not allow the opposition groups to criticize fairly, freely, and frankly the policies of the government. This is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's speech. So I am quoting this, and this is the occasion to remind all of us in these circumstances. Sir, the valuable observations were made by Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan way back in 1952 are still very relevant and pertinent. Sir, incidentally, you have not only assumed the same office of Dr. Radhakrishnan, but also share his name, Radhakrishnan जी. तो आप तो राधाकृष्णन जी के हम नाम हैं. हम आशा करते हैं कि आप उनके हमख्याल भी होंगे. So, Chairman, sir, I wish to draw your kind attention to an interesting fact, which is that Sri C.K. Kuppaswamy, मैं और एक बार पढ़ता हूँ कि Sri C.K. Kuppaswamy, your uncle has been a member of Indian National Congress and elected to Lok Sabha thrice from Coimbatore which had been your parliamentary constituency now. Honorable Chairman, Indian National Congress staunchly stands by constitutional values and time-honored parliamentary tradition.
Please. आप बैठे please. आप बैठ. Sir, I will look into it. I will look into it.
Sir.
I will look into it. Please, आप बैठिए.
Chairman.
Please, आप बैठिए.
Rajya Sabha,
I look into it.
of
Please,
the
आप
entire
बैठिए.
House belongs as much to the opposition as to the government.
Please,
I was
आप बैठिए. I look into
disheartened.
it.
I was disheartened
Please,
that
आप
the
बैठिए.
House did not get an opportunity to bid him a farewell. Regardless, I wish him, on behalf of the entire opposition, a very healthy life. It is our fond hope, rather we are confident that you will take care of the entire sections of the House. Sir, we are confident that you will be impartial and treat the opposition and the treasury benches in equal measures. सर, मैं लास्ट में ये कहूंगा, सभापति जी, अपनी बात पूरी करने से पहले मैं आपसे अपील करना चाहूंगा कि आप अपने आसन से उस तरफ ज्यादा न देखें, उसमें खतरा है। आप उधर
जी, आप
देखेंगे तो
बैठिए,
खतरा है
लुक
ज्यादा,
इट। आप
अगर
बैठिए।
इधर नहीं देखेंगे तो वो भी खतरा है। तो इसलिए दोनों तरफ आप संतुलन बना रखेंगे तो अच्छा होगा। इसीलिए मैं आपके सफल कार्यकाल की कामना करता हूं। आप जिस बैकग्राउंड से आए हैं, जिसका जिक्र प्रधानमंत्री जी ने यहाँ पर किया, ठीक है, हम मानते हैं, लेकिन आप ये भी नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि ये कांग्रेस के घराने से आप आए हैं। और दूसरा कि प्रधानमंत्री बाहर बहुत जोरदार तकरीर करके आए और अपना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करे और हमारे ऊपर भी बहुत इनडायरेक्टली हमला किए, लेकिन उसका जवाब तो हम मुंह तोड़ यहाँ पर देंगे, फिर उसके बाद में जो कुछ था। इसीलिए आपकी शुभकामना मैं देता हूँ। आप सबको धन्यवाद।
किरण रिजिजू जी.